should not have to deal with writer's block. And what we are doing when we get stuck with writer's block is because we are making weak choices. So when I am deciding on a plot point, I don't want to come up with one possibility, because if it's one possibility, how do I know if it's strong or weak? I want 5, all right? Every plot, every single plot of every book in here is a problem your character needs to solve. If we graph it, it looks like this, right? This is your opening, it's epic, and you're gonna lose sleep thinking about it because you're so excited about it. As your character tries to solve the problem, things get harder and harder and harder for the character until the climax. This is when they're going to win or they are going to lose in their story. And then there's a short falling off period. This is when you resolve everything and your reader loves it or you get hate mail. And that's the structure of every story. But when you get stuck, it is here. That right there, that is the muddy middle. I threw out everything I thought I knew about writing. I started over from scratch. My next manuscript, starting from scratch, was Eliot and the Goblin War. It got me my agent, it got me my publisher. I never received a rejection letter after that day. But I literally had to go all the way to 0 before I was ready to finally learn how to write as an author.